got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy.
Hello guys, so I'm seeing many of you are just watching our video and don't subscribe our channel. Please I'm requesting you all to subscribe my channel, because we are going to reach a special number of subscribers. I will reveal the everything about this after I gain that. So thanks for watching and keep going.
Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool.